In the 2026 wilderness, satellite communication has evolved beyond the 160-character limit. We've entered the era of rich media flux, where photos and voice notes are the new standard for remote coordination. At Wade Media Research, we launched a data-backed audit of the Garmin Messenger Plus. We analyzed its Iridium handshake latency, photo packet integrity, and battery discharge during high-bandwidth transmission. The Messenger Plus utilizes the Iridium Global Satellite Network. We audited the signal-to-noise ratio in dense canopy environments, verifying that the internal antenna maintains a stable L-band connection even when orientation is non-optimal. Rich media is a matter of packet management. We measured the transmission time for a standard low-resolution photo. Under a clear sky, the device successfully completed the packet transfer in an average of 4 minutes, effectively compressing the data for satellite efficiency. We audited audio fidelity. The Messenger Plus allows for 30-second voice notes and 1600-character text blocks. Our data confirms that the Iridium link prioritizes these packets to ensure critical information survives the uplink. High bandwidth use creates significant battery drain. We measured a 5% discharge per photo sent. However, in standard SOS standby mode, the device maintains a massive 600-hour duty cycle, ensuring long-term survival utility. Our audit confirms, the Garmin Messenger Plus is the rich media benchmark. For the explorer who requires visual confirmation and voice over satellite capability, it is a verified mechanical asset for the 2026 season. Don't just signal for help, communicate the reality. In the workshop of the wild, the Messenger Plus is the only currency that translates bandwidth into pure peace of mind. See the full packet logs in our 2026 satellite rankings at hikegearguide.com. Look for the Messenger Plus technical audit.